So we all know that the future belongs to self-driving robotics, right? But how many of you have ever experienced yourself the drone controlled flight? So for those of you who know it, it's really challenging. Moreover, 8 out of 10 drone operations fail to execute because of the 90% dependency on the human pilot. So we're here to help drone services have higher efficient inspections for mainly construction and energy companies with our AI-driven software on board of the drone, basically providing them with hardware agnostic API. This way, we are reducing the time of the inspection by 90% and at the same time lowering the threshold and the potential crash of drone close to zero. So we're Artial, we're building the future autonomy for flying machines, and we're becoming the world leader of autonomous solutions. Thank you.